Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. I got some Merry Mail and it is from Diane Crafting with Fury, also known as my boo. So let's go ahead and dig in. She sent that. She sent another box and another box and the card. I've already opened the card. Thank you so much, Diane, but I want to show you guys.
Hi, you guys.
Oh, my son's here too, and I want to show you the card because it is such a cute card. I love how she's done it. Look at that.
Okay.
I love the wreath, I love the deer, and I love the Merry Christmas. It's so cute. Love it. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see what's in here. Let's go ahead and dig into the small one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
It's really great.
Yeah, it's great, right? Yeah. Okay, let's see what
the heck is that?
Sent. Oh my goodness, I see bees.
Ooh!
I see bees.
That was cool.
Okay, let's see what this is. Ooh, it's a face mask and it has bee and a queen. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. Let's see here.
Yeah, it's really great.
It's a mask. I've never seen these type of masks either. But it's, oh, okay.
Another one?
Oh, it's a doubled mask. So I could be double protected. I've never seen these. Look at that. I love it. I love it. And it's a bee. Let's see here.
So let's open the rest of them. Okay.
Cool. It says this right here. Wicks away moisture to keep you cooler. 4-way stretch. Performance fabric. Adjustable fit with 3 settings. And it says 2-pack, 1 solid, and 1 pattern. So it's a 2. So this one's 1. And then this one's the other. I love this. I don't know where she finds these bees, but she does. Thank you so much, Diane. Boo. Boo boo. Okay, let's see what's in here.
In this box?
In this box.
Is it mine?
Let's see, what's this?
Is it mine? Please be mine. Please be. I hope it's mine, okay?
Let's see here.
What is that?
I don't know. What is this?
Please be mine.
Okay. Oop,
Please.
there's a sticker here. I need my scissors.
I know. Or, wait, that's not a sticker. That is tape.
That is tape. Okay.
Alright. Please be mine.
Oh my goodness, what is this?
Oh my god. I thought that was mine!
Gel polish remover pads. A nail. What? Diane. Look at all of this. Okay, I need to get one of those gel machines. Look at all these colors. Oh my goodness, Diane, you did not have to do this. She got me an entire set of polishes. It comes with the UV and lead soak off as well. Oh my goodness. And then the gel polish remover pads.
What?
This is
that it?
too amazing.
Yeah, that is amazing. Really great.
Oh my god. Okay.
Let's open the last one.
Let's see. Oh my goodness. This is awesome. Thank you, Diane, for this. I appreciate this so much.
Let's open the first one.
Okay, let's see what's in this one right here.
The last one.
The last one.
Please be mine. Is it mine?
Let's see here.
Come on, please. Oh my god.
Okay.
I wonder this is mine.
5. Oh, the wall. Quick dry. No, you don't. Oh my god. Diane. She got me the machine.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. And it's pink. I can just put my hands down here. Oh my goodness, Diane. I'm just going to put my hand there. You guys will have nice painted nails thanks to my boo. And there's settings, 90 seconds, 60 seconds, 30 seconds. Looks like a helmet.
Yeah.
This is so cool.
It looks like a helmet or a tripod head.
A tripod head.
Yeah. there.
I love it.
Look at the
Look
number on there.
Oh my goodness. I could be all professional now with nice, beautiful
I thought
nails
that was mine.
instead of crafter's nails and hands. You know how we do it. We get all messy with the inks and the paper and the glue, and this is gonna be so amazing to keep up with my nails. Thank you, Diane. Look at this one. This one has like a festive holiday. That looks cool. I'm gonna open this. Let's see here. Oh yeah, that is glittered. Oh my god. I love the pink, the teal. Look at the pink right here. Even the nude is awesome. The wine, even the purples are great. Hot pink, definitely. The blue, they're all beautiful. I love them. These are glittered ones. Let's see. This one's a purple glitter. This one is, this must be the gold glitter.
The gold glitter?
Oh, pink glitter. I never used pink glitter. That's going to be good for Valentine's.
And pop with that one.
What is this one?
Gold!
Whoa. Yeah, that's a metallic gold. These are amazing. Let's look at the pink.
The pink.
The pink is... Ooh, look at that pink,
Super
you guys.
pink.
How beautiful is that? That is beautiful. I'm going to use that one. That's going to be my first one. Okay. Thank you so much, Diane. I appreciate this so much. You did not have to do this. I appreciate it, though, so much and so grateful. This is such a generous gift. Thank you so much, you guys. You know, Diane, I've mentioned her a few times on this channel. We met when I was fairly new to YouTube, very new, we met, and so we've been talking ever since, almost 3 years already, and she's such a nice person, really nice to get along with, so funny. You have to get to know her because she's so amazing, you guys. That's why I call her Boo. She's a boo-boo. So go check out Boo Boo and tell her that V sent you, and let her know that she has to be your boo boo too. Say bye, Achilles.
Bye!
Bye, you guys. I'll see you in the next video.